Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is percentage part 3. Percentage part 1 and part 2 we have already completed. So let us see the question. Here the first question is what? A student has to score 30% marks to get through. If he get 30% marks and fails by 30 marks, then find the maximum mark set for the examination. So this is very easy question. We can make very easily solve this question. So what is the technique? So we have to find 30% of the total marks, which is equal to what? 30 plus 30, because he got 30 and failed by 30. So if he got 30 plus 30 60 marks, he will be passed. So suppose total marks is what? X. So that is 30% of x, this equal to what? 30 plus 30, that is what? 60. So now we can solve very easily. 30 to the 60. So correct answer is what? 100 into 2, that is 200. So B option is correct answer. Now see next question, that is question number 2. The question 2 is what? In an election contested by two candidates, one candidate got 30% of total votes and still lost by 500 votes. Then find the total number of votes casted. So for this type of question, technique is what? There is a two candidate, one candidate got how much? 30%. So if one candidate got how much? 30%. Then second candidate will get how much? 30%, one gets 100 minus 30, that is 70. So 70% other get. Now you see one candidate got 30% and other candidate get 70%. So difference is what? 40%. So difference equal to 70 minus 30%. This equal to what? 40%. Now it is given still lost by 500. Lost means difference. So 40%, that is 40 by 100 of total vote, equal to what? That is 500. Now we can find very easily. 20 to the 40, 25 to 100. You can cancel this number. 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10. So x equal to what? 250 into 5. So 500, 5 5s are 25, 12. So correct answer is what? 1250. So this is our right answer. 1250 is correct answer. Now see the question third. The third question is what? If Ramesh spends 20% of income in education and 10% in food and 10% in clothes, then find the saving per month if his income is what? 80,000 per month. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We are finding saving. Okay. So first we see how much he has spent. So 20% spent in education and 10% in food and 10% in clothes. So total spent how much? Total spent 20 plus 10, 30, that is 40%. So what is his saving? So saving will be what? 100 minus 40, that is 60% save. So his salary is how much? 80,000. So we can find very easily 60% of the salary. So 60% means what? 60 by 100 into given salary is what? 80,000. This 20 cancel, we will get 8 6 are 48. So 48,000 is our right answer. So B is our correct answer. Now see question number 4th. The fourth question is what? If any person has spent 20% of his income in education, again 20% of remaining in food Again 20% of remaining in cloth. If his income is 60,000 per month, then find his saving per month. So for this type of question, there is a two method. First, I am solving this question by the tricky approach. So what is the trick for this type of question? See. So question is what? That is salary is given 60,000 per month. So this is a salary. My focus is what? We have to find that is saving. So first he spent 20% in education. If 20% is spent, so how much saved? That is 80%. So we have to find 80% of this. So this is 80% of this. This is the saving. Again from saving, again from remaining, 20% in food. So again from remaining investing 20%. So how much saving? 80% of remaining. So again we will go for this what? That is 80 by 100. This is what? Remaining. Again from remaining 20% in clothes spent. So how much again save? 80%. So this is what? 80 by 100. This is the final saving. Now we can cancel here 4 times 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 and this 4 0. And again here 1 0 and this is 1 0 cancel. So we get what? 6 multiply 80 into 8 into 8. So just to find 8 cubes. So 8 8 is 64. So 8 8 is 64 and 64 into 8 is what? 8 4 is 32. Add 6 is 48 and 3 51. So this is what? 5120. We multiply 80 into 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 into 8, 8 cube 64. 64 into 8. 8 4 is 32. Add 6 is 48, 3 51. Here 1 0, so 520. Now we will multiply this number 600, 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6, 7, 6 5 is 30. So answer is what? 30,720. So our correct answer is what? A.